It isn't a particularly new thought that I'm about to put out, which is that there is a tremendous amount of wealth that has been created recently among people who have made, individuals who have made significant amounts of capital on the IPOs of some significant technology companies. A lot of these people are young. They're of a generation, in my opinion, that is not interested, or certainly not as interested as my generation was, in accumulating visible signs, outwardly visible signs of wealth. I think they're much more wired up to be entrepreneurs, to be innovators, to invest in new businesses, new technologies, and I think we'll see a lot of that wealth creation flow into innovative, earlier stage companies than we've seen before. I think it's a great opportunity for small businesses to figure out, and early stage businesses that are innovative in terms of what they're doing, either in a sector or with a technology, to think about different pools of capital that may not be institutional. I think it is very difficult for early stage companies, with some notable exceptions, to find access to capital to help them grow. The notable exceptions are members of what I call the sort of inner circle of Silicon Valley. Those guys all tend to invest in each other's deals, and they, they're kind of the new club form of investors. All of the recently minted, billionaires, if you will, and centimillionaires. And for companies that aren't playing in that exact space, it's hard to get to them. So that means that there are opportunities for people in the middle, such as our firm, to figure out ways to connect those earlier stage, high technology, highly innovative companies with capital that exists looking for new opportunities that may or may not be institutional capital. I think in terms of where the capital is and how it's feeling about investing in early stage companies, and in businesses that are doing innovative things with regard to the internet, not just the technology plays, but the media plays and the data plays on the internet. I think people are enormously interested in what small businesses are starting to do and early stage companies are starting to do. I think everyone is looking for the next Facebook. I think they're also realistic that they're not necessarily going to find it. But if they're not in the game, they're certainly not going to find it. And so they're looking, they're busy, they're hunting for the right opportunities.